Hey guys, today I got a cab high fiberglass truck cab from ARE. It's the CX series. Fits the 99 to 06 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Paint is code 15 Cashmere effect, so it's like a pewter color. It's in decent shape. It doesn't have a whole lot of damage on it. It has some scratches, but a small nick right there. A couple scratches there. A couple chips in the paint up there. Got a couple more chips right there, but that's really about it in that area. The top edge looks nice. Front edge looks good. Bottom edge here is a little bit of a scuff mark on the trim panel. That's about it. Bottom looks good through here. Does have the half side sliders on the side. This window slide open. Picture window front. Not seeing much damage on the front edge at all. Has a small chip right here on the top. And looks like about the same spot on the other side. Chip right there in the paint. Bottom front end's nice, good shape. Top looks good. Top edge on this side looks good. It looks like hardly any damage on this side. Bottom edge looks good on this side as well. It's good through here. Some little black speckles, just got a lot of flies over here because of the farm, so I just flies droppings all over it. Half side sliders on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Back edge looks nice. Third brake light. A couple small chips right there. And we got the ones that we talked about earlier. Screen's got a small hole right there in it. Good shape other than that. This one is a tilting front picture window. So this window, these two latches here that open up. This allows this window to open in and tilt in so that you can clean the front of this window, then the back of the truck cab window here, and then you clean these two up. You can pop this back up in place, latch that back down, and seal that back up like so. Screen on this side is in good shape. No holes on this side at all that I can see. Actually a really clean unit for its age. Serial number was built specifically for a 2006 Chevy 1500 extended cab with a short bed. It's a CX model. 15 Cashmere effect is the paint code, so that's the 9906 body style trucks. Here's the keys. If I can get out of there. The older I get, the harder it is to get out of these things. There it is. Cab high fiberglass ARE CX model. Fits the 99 to 06 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. 15 Cashmere effect is the paint code. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online. Make arrangements to pick it up online. That'll all be done in that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, deck units, lift kits, things like that. Those can all be purchased online there as well. There's also, if you're looking for something specific and you want to looking for something specific for your truck, and you're waiting for something to come in, you'll want to subscribe below. It'll keep you up to date. We upload in YouTube videos and to our website as soon as inventory comes in, so that'll help you stay up to date on that. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.